Welcome back to another review. It is a company that makes a smart lock box. Now I'm sure you've seen the lock boxes that hang on a doorknob and you have a code, and it's basically the same thing. You just don't dial the code. This is a smart box. It is a very smart box. It has the capability of storing 20 passcodes that you can program in it. You can put 100 fingerprints on it. The thing has a capability of telling you when it has a low battery. It'll squall, beep at you constantly until you finally do something with it. It also has pass bars or ID codes, perimeter cards that will allow it to open. Came with a couple, and if we loan these to a neighbor or to a friend to be able to get into something like that, it will show how many times this card on your app on your phone that it has entered. Another thing about it being smart, like I said, it fingerprints, 100 fingerprints. You can add 100 of these cards, or you can add 20 passcodes. Let me wake it up. And that was off fingerprint. And the rest of them would strictly be off this app. Once you log on and it recognizes through Bluetooth, and then you go in here through Bluetooth, I can unlock it from here. Just unlock it. And then it gives you all your options. If you want to add people, family, neighbors. This is when you first start up. It gives you a temporary password. And this is where you enter the 20 passcodes. This is for your cards. And then all your admins. But it is a really simple system. It is not hard at all. You can use the hook for the doorknob, or you can take the hook off of it and put these little plugs in for weather and mount it permanently against the building. And it gives you the installation diagram to put up there and drill your holes. It matches the holes on the back, gives you a mounting kit, and you can rock and roll with this thing. Heavy duty, very, very heavy duty. Trust me, I believe you'll be really pleased with it if you buy this.
Okay, so we are out at our storm shelter, and this is where we are going to be using this lock box so we can allow neighbors, friends, and family access to the storm shelter. In the event that we may not be home, this thing will hold 20 codes, and we can use it to unlock it with our app. We can use a little card to unlock it, and we can use thumbprint. Just like that. We'll have a key inside that they can access to get into this door. These are also good for rental houses, laundry facilities, anything you need to give limited access to, right here. This is the key to that. If you're interested in this product, there'll be a link in the description of this video. And thank you for the sponsor of today's video.